So one of our favorite things to do for breakfast is, this only took about 5 minutes, is take leftovers and put an egg on top. And so I took our leftover beef borscht that we had the other night, put an egg on top, and I've got some whole grain bread and local honey. And as Scott would say, salad's so good, you can eat them for breakfast. So quick and easy and really delicious. See you later. So for lunch today, we were inspired by one of our Eat Real America members and friends, and we're going to have a great big salad, kind of a Mexican-inspired salad, loaded with black beans, avocado, cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, threw some almonds on there, and we've got some honey lime vinaigrette. This is the same dressing we had on the chili lime salmon fajita salad the other night. And so this, that we were inspired by our friend, this is mango, cucumber, and a jicama. And if you've never eaten a jicama before or bought a jicama before, this is what it looks like. And you just peel the outside of it. And then we're just gonna dump probably just a couple cups of jicama in there, because this is a huge one. And so what she did the other night when we were with the school district is she used a seasoning called Tajín. So we got some, but we were also curious if you could make your own, save yourself a little money and a little salt. So we threw together some chili powder, smoked paprika, a dash of salt, and some lime zest. And we're going to dump that in for the salad. And so a little lime juice is in here too. So we are so excited about this. I think we're gonna call it Yvette's Mango Pico de Gallo, and our Eat Real America members will see it on the website soon. But so tonight we are having a date night, and we're going to a concert at a local kind of small venue. So I'm excited about that. So we're just gonna savor the leftovers, and we're gonna have leftover salad and leftover mushroom barley soup that we had last night. So I hope you're all having a great weekend, and we'll see you soon.
Your girl that makes you speechless is why don't the town still loves Jesus? One that's worth the wait even when she ain't